The Vivo V17 comes with AI quad rear camera and a 32 megapixel front camera with super night mode that lets you click clear pictures even in the dark. The phone is available in Glacier Ice and Midnight Ocean colors. Vivo V17 comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo V17 features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Eye View display. The E3 Super AMOLED display comes with a 20:9 aspect ratio that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for a faster access. The quad camera setup includes a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. It also comes with a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies. The Super Night Mode lets you click clear pictures from both the front and the rear camera, even in low light and night conditions. Powered by Android operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with dual engine fast charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film and user manual. The Vivo V17 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.